Hey there, fellow wanderers and adventure seekers. Welcome to the ultimate 2025 camper van showdown. I'm the Speed Freak Show, and today we're diving deep into the world of freedom on wheels. But before we hit the road, let me ask you this. What if I told you that your dream of exploring the world while working remotely isn't just a fantasy, but a lifestyle that's more accessible than ever? That's right, the camper van revolution is here, and it's changing the game for our generation. In 2025, living on the road isn't just for retirees anymore. It's for us, the young, the bold, and the adventure-hungry. Today, we're comparing the top camper vans of 2025, perfect for digital nomads, weekend warriors, and anyone in between. We'll look at their features, prices, and how they fit into the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. But first, let me tell you a secret. One of these vans has a feature so groundbreaking, it might just revolutionize the way we think about mobile living. Stick around to find out. Now, let's dive into our contenders for the 2025 Camper Van Showdown. 1. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. First up, we have the classic favorite, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. Known for its robust build quality and spacious interior, the Sprinter has been a go-to choice for van lifers for years. But in 2025, it's not just about space anymore. The 2025 Sprinter comes with a 170-inch wheelbase, perfect for a family of 4, factory 4x4 or AWD options for those off-road adventures, the largest interior cargo space in its class. But here's the kicker. The Sprinter isn't just a van, it's a blank canvas for your dreams. With the most options for aftermarket parts, you can truly make it your own. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds great, but what's the catch? Well, the Sprinter is generally more expensive up front, and maintenance can be a bit pricey due to its advanced engineering. But remember, it's an investment in your lifestyle. 2. Ford Transit. Next up, we have the Ford Transit, the rising star in the camper van world. The Transit has been gaining popularity, and for good reason. It's more budget-friendly than the Sprinter, both upfront and in maintenance costs. But don't let the lower price fool you. This van packs a punch. The 2025 Transit comes with intelligent AWD for those tricky terrains, easier servicing thanks to widespread Ford mechanics, a perfect balance of affordability and features. And here's a pro tip. If you're new to van life, the Transit's lower entry cost makes it a great starting point. You can always upgrade later if you catch the van life bug. 3. Ram ProMaster. Last, but definitely not least, we have the Ram ProMaster, the underdog that might just surprise you. The ProMaster stands out with its front-wheel drive system for better handling in certain conditions, lower floor height, making loading and unloading a breeze. Most affordable option among the three, both for purchase and maintenance. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about off-road capabilities? Well, while the ProMaster might not be the first choice for hardcore off-roading, it's perfect for those who plan to stick mostly to paved roads and campgrounds. And let's be honest, that's where most of us spend our time anyway. So, which one of these vans has the groundbreaking feature I mentioned earlier? Well, that brings us to our next point. But before we reveal that, let's talk about why van life is exploding among our generation. The 18 to 30 age group is flocking to van life for some compelling reasons. 1. Freedom and flexibility. We crave the ability to travel and live in various locations without being tied down. Van life gives us that freedom. 2. Minimalism. We're embracing the idea of living with less. It's not just about saving space, it's about focusing on experiences over things. 3. Digital nomadism. With remote work on the rise, van life allows us to balance work and travel seamlessly. Imagine coding with a view of the Grand Canyon. 4th, community. Van life isn't just about solitude, it's about connecting with like-minded individuals and being part of a supportive community. 5. Sustainability. Many of us are environmentally conscious, and van life often means a smaller carbon footprint. Now you might be wondering, this all sounds great, but how do I choose the right van for me? Well, that brings us to our last part. So, which van comes out on top in our 2025 Camper Van Showdown? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your specific needs, budget, and travel style. But remember that groundbreaking feature I mentioned? Well, it's not exclusive to any one van. It's the lifestyle itself, the freedom to choose your own adventure, to work from anywhere, and to live life on your own terms. Whether you choose the luxurious Sprinter, the balanced Transit, or the budget-friendly ProMaster, you're not just buying a van, you're investing in a lifestyle. Now, I want to hear from you. Which van caught your eye? Are you ready to join the van life revolution? And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to catch our next video, where we'll be taking an exclusive look at the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter's interior design. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember, home is where you park it.